Hi guys, finally we have fixed the Flared2 and Glared2 for Blender 5.2 and now it works very fine. So take a look at Flared. Let's add a new flare and go into render view and go inside the flare. This is all working fine in cycles too. Remember, when you go to cycles, you have to turn up the transparent light path. That depends on how many generators you have activated into your flare. And now everything is fine. Remember, this is version 1.1.7 and this is an extension. So if you have a previous version 1.1.6, you'll have to uninstall the old version and you can drag and drop the new file and install the new one. If you already have 1.1.6, you just have to drag and drop, or I don't know if the market has a system that automatically lets you upgrade your file from here. So it's a free update, and Glared works fine too, starting from version 2.0.2, and you can add your real-time effects. Remember, you'll have to go in render view and then you'll have to activate or camera or always, and you will see the generated elements made by Glared, and so everything is there. You now have brightness again, you now have ghosting again, the streak because the cutoff is too high. Okay, so this is not an emissive object, so you have to work on a missing object here. And so if you have something that is creating light in the scene, now it's true, this is emissive, and as you can see, you'll have here all your elements back: the glow and the streaks and the super flare and the details. Everything is there, the lens dirt and the vignette and the chromatic aberration. Now everything is fine. Blender 5.2 has changed some API, and so we had to upgrade our system. Now it's working fine. I want to update you on the progression in working at Flared2 PPBR flares, but I will make it in another video, the next one. Thank you and bye-bye.